a layout for a family of 4 from New York. Let me start from outside, which is gonna be the outside table, which has this perfect leverage in case your vehicle is not completely level, so you can adjust the level. And also, if it is so hot inside, you don't want to run your AC, what you need to do, bring your the induction stove outside and you can cook right here. Pretty simple and convenient. And also, let me show you this magnificence, which is the box screen. It took us 4 years to develop them. This one is super durable. This one is not like Amazon or anything. It's super cheap stuff. This one is super durable and has two functionality, which is the box screen and also completely blackout. The advantage of our box screen, it is, let's say you have something on your hands and you want to go in or out and you need both hands to go through the shade. What you need to do, just push with your elbow, and this magnet is all the way from top to bottom and it's really strong, and you can just push and go in or out. The other great advantage of our shades is this velcro right here. In case you have a dog which is wants to be outside all the time, what you need to do is just open this one and stick on the inside one with the felt. It is so that one prevent the dog push this one with the nose. It's pretty convenient. Let's walk inside. Let's start here, that one we call the living room, because this one can be entertained for passenger in case you do like quick stop on gas station, on any place, any convenience store. What you can do is right here swing this one to this side, so even this person is capable to eat a quick meal or play cards to remove the stress. So, and also we have this tripod. What this one is a tripod for, because the leverage is so long, so when this person is using, so it's gonna be bouncy. This one prevent bouncing. This one is super durable and resistant. So when you don't need anymore, just open, slide, and bring back. That's it. And this one can be for teenager or kids. On this one has a 3-point seatbelt and is anchored. And under this bench is a 26 gallons of water, fresh water for this one. And under the vehicle, there's a 24-gallon or gray water tank. Let me set up this one so you can see how easy it is to set up this bed. Okay, now let's take it off this one. Just swing it. There we go. Place it on the side. The driver's side needs to be face forward to set up the bed, all the way to forward. So on this one allows, do you see this one? We manufactured this one right here to keep the post placed on place. So this one bring down, this one line them up, and this one right here, this leverage, pull inwards, and voila. And guess what? This is a 75 inches length. I'm a 5'10" in a good days. And you can see how much room left I got right on top. This is a good pillow area for you convenient. You can fold up the middle first if you want. Fold this one if you want. And the bottom right here. Show you first, which is the top storage. This is on top of it. Is even if you are a tall person, you see how much clearance you have here. This is a basis on the Ford Transit high roof extended vehicle. As you can see, I have all this storage right here. We got microwave on top. I got another three big doors right here. As you can see, this one is all connected. If you have a big items, you don't have to worry, because you can sneak through it, and it's really heavy duty on this one. And now let me show you which is under storage, which is gonna be 3 drawers right under the counter, pretty good size. And right under all this one, I got the battery bank. Believe it or not, we got 1600 amps on this one, and it's powered by the secondary alternator. This is the first source. The second source, we have a 50 amps shore power to connect on the campground, on your house, and even we have the option to connect the solar panels. On this particular model, the customer says, I don't want a solar. With the secondary alternator and the shore power is more than enough. Now, but he requested has a two different fridges. So we got one nice size fridge right here, and we got another one which has a separated freezer and fridge. Two doors right under the sink. You see how big storage we have here? And there's gonna be three drawers, nice size also. A little bit bigger than the one on the back. And when you are ready to cook, you have 11 and a half foot of counter basis on this one. Look how beautiful. I can even sleep right here with no problem. Take a nap. Super big. And this is a pretty deep size sink, and it's completely covered. You can use this one as chopboard if you like, but this one is completely covered. We have a gooseneck extension faucet, and not just that. On top of the old counter space, we have extra pull-out tray right here. And when you don't need it anymore, just retract back. And staying on the living room, we use the advantage of the under seat right here is a space heater. This is space heater, the new one we're using, you can control with the app. Same app control the air conditioning and the space heater. And this one you don't have to worry to fill it up extra fuel for it, because it's connected direct to the tank of the vehicle. So let me go back and show you the shower. This one we call 360 shower because it's mounting on the ring. As you can see, it's mounted on the ring. And this one is connected to the gray tank under of the vehicle. And it is, when you are taking shower, you don't have to afraid for the water fall out, because all this one has a magnet. So all the magnet attached together prevent the water splash out. When you don't need it, just bring back and let them dry back. And just bring back. The other good advantage, in case you want to take shower and the other two person or even three person can be sleeping on the bed, it doesn't interfere at all. This one can be performing even with the bed is down, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit that one how that works. Now let me show you the dinette area. On this one you need to remove this strap only, loosen them up a little bit, open the legs right here, bring down, grab the 3-inch kitchen, place it on it. This one has a magnet on the back, so when you're driving or something, it's gonna be a snap. In case you leave the bench open, it won't be fly out. Look, this one, 4 kids, 3 adults can be easily sitting and dining, but don't worry, it's not that far. Guess what? We have this one, super heavy duty counter with matching to the top. Super durable. This is a butcher block, so you see this is pretty good size. I'm all the way to the edge. Look how much I got remaining. So this is an excellent size of dinette. Let me push back and remove. And we got extra storage here. Let me remove this one away so I can show you the back storage. This is a super deep storage right here. Super deep storage. And not just that, also we have an extra storage right here to storage the shades, big blankets, and anything. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up the bed. Okay, this one is pretty simple. Just remove this one, since this is a 80 inches by 67. This is a RV king size bed. And you see this is, even it's a huge, it's a aluminum frame, and it's not heavy at all. Why? Because we're using this pneumatic strut. Look, with one finger I can take down, and I'm not worried if it's somebody is on there because it's gonna be bring back. Super durable right there. And that one, to put the mattress on it, simple, just a snap down and everything. As you can see, super good and convenient. And guess what? When you have your bed set up, we got a plus. What's the plus we have? This wonderful skylight. This one we just introduced. This is, we are collaborating with our partnership, which is a Rhino Ace component. They provide this skylight. There's a multiple skylights out there on the market. Looks like similar, but we have a lot of advantage of this one. The first one advantage is this one, the blackout thermal shade. If you are sensitive to the sun, to the light, this one blocking the sun really well. Not just that, has the shade, has the back screen, has the light. These super bright lights on this one. And the other good advantage on or of skylight, or skylight opens 90-degree. Is open 90-degree. I'm able to claim out easily from inside to out. I can place the Starlink. I have a cargo box for a customer. Sometimes wants a cargo box on top. We can, or roof rack. We can build it up, a roof deck. Everything up here. So it's super accessible, super simple. You want to watch this the stars at night. This super convenient. Now let me show you the genius idea of our partnership Rhino Van. Look, they have the rear shade. If you want to enjoy the breeze with the door open and no mosquitoes go in, this one is a 1.1 millimeter open, so no mosquito, no insect fly through. In case you want a completely privacy, be completely blackout, simple, bring this zipper up and you can enjoy it. But that's not all. What also you can do is completely roll up this section, and you have an extra window in case somebody pass you something from inside to outside or outside to inside without jumping out of the bed. Let's say good breakfast on the forest, somebody cooking for you outside and pass you, you still having your breakfast on the bed. Now I'm a 5'10" guy on the good days. Look, I'm a 5'10". Let me show you. I'm gonna be all the way on the edge of the bed. I'm right here. Even me, I can sleep like east to west. And look how much room you got left. It's amazing what we're doing here. And also you have a dimmable rating light with a port USBs, so you can charge your phone at night and everything. Now the other advantage of this Murphy bed is in case you want to reach something and the people is sleeping in here, you don't have to worry. You can have access from the bottom and from the back of the van. As you can see right here is a huge cargo area right under. Anything you want to reach, you can easily reach right here without waking up this person. Not just that, also you can have, we have a outlet right here. You can have an outside table, playing poker, enjoying the night, and whatever you want to decide doing outside, you have the outlet, super accessible, can be also installed from outside. Some people don't like to have external ports because they live in association and some stuff like that. We decide to have inside. We have the water heater right inside of this one, and guess what, we have also rear shower. This rear shower, you can extend the length of the hose as much as you can. This one, the customer says, I want only 5 feet. You can add it up to 10, 15 feet. And also we are developing new shade which is can be attached on the vehicle and has a magnet. So when you if you want to take a shower outside and you don't want to be inside, simple, just snap your curtain and you can take your shower outside with no problem. You can enjoy plug your music, your phone in time you are taking a shower. We have a USB here, and also we have a cigarette lighter and external. Even if you want more hot water, just snap this one on. You can change the temperature of the water here right here. And this is the result of TrueVan team, the passion we put in every single layout for this wonderful family from New York. Reserve your spot right now. Call us, contact us, and guess what? You don't talk to the salesperson. You talk direct to the builders.